Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the classification. So this will be the classification of the opioids. So to begin with, first the heading will be the naturally occurring. So naturally occurring. So what happens in case of naturally occurring? So this includes, there is the morphine. Next comes the codeine. So codeine, it includes the methyl morphine. So it includes the methyl morphine. Next comes the papaverine, and then the thebaine. So all these are naturally occurring. Next we look at the semi-synthetic. So how does the semi-synthetic, what does it contain? So in terms of the semi-synthetic, it includes the heroin. So heroin is present. It includes the heroin. So heroin is nothing but the diacetyl morphine. So it includes the heroin, that is a diacetyl morphine, and it also includes the dihydromorphine, and the morphinol. It includes the morphinol. Then we move on to the thebaine derivatives. What are present in the thebaine derivatives? So thebaine derivatives, what are the examples? The examples are etorphin, examples being etorphin, then the buprenorphine. So they are some examples. So we saw the natural occurring, the semi-synthetic. Then we move on to the synthetic. So what does the synthetic contain? So if we look at synthetic, it contains the morphinan series. So it includes the morphinan series. So what are present in the morphinan series? That is, there is levorphenol. There is levorphenol and also the butorphenol. There is levorphenol, butorphenol. Next we move on to the diphenyl prophylamine. So diphenyl prophylamine. So what are the examples? So this is the diphenyl prophylamine series. So the example being the methadone. Next we move on to the benzomorphan series. So benzomorphan series. So the benzomorphan series, the example being the pentazocine. So pentazocine is the example. Next we move on to the phenylpiperidine. The phenylpiperidine. So phenylpiperidine series. So phenylpiperidine series, this includes the meperidine. So meperidine. Next comes the fentanyl. Then it also includes the sufentanil, then the alfentanil, as well as the remifentanil. So all this are present under the phenylpiperidine series. So this was all about the classification of opioids. Just recap, we saw the natural occurring, the semi-synthetic as well as the synthetic varieties. So to learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.